Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the ONIX Z5 paddle repair. Thanks for tuning in, and please, if you can, if you like the video, drop me a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. Stay tuned, we're going to get right into this. We're going to get started on this repair. We're going to bond this one side back to the honeycomb core, and I wanted to show you I was able to salvage the piece out of the edge that pulled off the little bit of faceplate and a bit of the edge. So we're going to slowly get the resin inside of this so that we can bond these. What I've done is taken a block of 1/2-inch birch plywood, put some aluminum tape on it, 2 blocks, and it'll get sandwiched and clamped. And like I said before, it only takes about 6 psi to give a good tight bond to core and composite material, and that'll keep it from sticking as well to the wood and clamps. All right, this I believe has cured just fine. We got our sample piece, nice and hard. So we're going to take the clamp off and see what we've got here. That aluminum tape stuck a little bit, but not as much as it would have to the wood. So as you can see, we have that skin rebonded to the paddle core, and we'll clean the outside up, and that's mostly tape residue. But the next thing we'll do is we'll bond this little piece back onto the one edge, and we should be good to go. All right, here we are. Welcome back. I believe our paddle has cured. We will find out momentarily. That is a beautiful thing. So that's what we ended up with. We got that broken piece of skin back on, nice and flush with the paddle face. Got a little bit of squeeze out, which is fine. We'll deal with that. Some cleaning compound and light abrasion. But we still have the missing piece of core that we are going to take care of through the edge repair that I spoke about. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to part 2 of the ONIX Z5 edge repair. I hope you can come back see us for part 3 where we finish this thing up. And if you like the video, please drop me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Come back and see us. We got some exciting stuff coming up. Paddle Tech play with the added weights and some tournament footage. I am playing in a tournament in October. I'm going to be recording one in Griffin, Georgia in September, and we're going to be bringing that to you. So come back and see us. Make sure you ring that bell so you're notified of all the new content. Thanks a lot. Pickleball Tech.